to remove it from our law books by repealing it. And that is what is before you today. Simply a cleanup of our law book. The last one, Your Excellency, is a government-owned enterprises bill, the GOE Bill 2025. This bill was introduced in the National Assembly by the leader of the majority party, having been received from the cabinet through the Office of the Attorney General. The bill, Your Excellency, introduces new ways in which the government will be making investments in its own entities. It provides for, number one, for a public entity to be, for a government-owned enterprise to be created, there must be a business logic behind it. It must be able to run on its own without being funded by the exchequer. It must be able to run on its own without asking for more money from the taxpayers. The bill also provides, Your Excellency, that there is a list of 65 hitherto state corporations and another 18 which will henceforth be registered under the Companies Act as government enterprises, and they be reformed in accordance with this law. The idea is to streamline the commercial operations of all government enterprises so that it makes commercial sense to the people of Kenya.
This is the law that was originally spearheaded by what was that member of parliament for Mandela? Abdikadir.
Yes. Abdikadir, yes. Abdikadir. Yes.
That was which year? 2014. Yes. So it's been doing the round.
Yes, since 2014, there was that proposal that came from the task force chaired by the then member for Mandela, Abdikadir, who came to State House as an advisor. It has been going round, and the idea was partly to amalgamate some of them and also to come up with the government enterprises vehicle.
Correct.
So that these entities have to make sense. It specifies the 65 existing corporations and another additional 18 that currently carry out commercial activities. This includes the Agriculture Finance Corporation, the Kenya Airports Authority, the Post Bank, Postal Corporation, amongst others, Your Excellency. The bill provides for enhanced corporate governance and provides that boards of government-owned enterprises shall have membership of not more than 9 persons, a majority of whom, that is 6, will be independent directors who are sourced through a mechanism called search and identify, so as to bring that corporate governance way of managing our state corporations. Your Excellency, the bill also notes that sometimes these government-owned enterprises may have to conduct other business that they have been assigned by the state, which may not necessarily be commercial. For that reason, the bill provides that when that happens, it will be purposeful, it will be specific, and there will be specific funding for that from the state for that particular obligation. It's called public service obligation being performed by a government-owned enterprise. And the idea is to allow the government to leverage on the efficiencies of commercial enterprises in the provision of public services, Your Excellency.
Correct.
Permit me, Your Excellency, to retire my commission for the day at this stage.
Thank you very much, Mr. Clark.
For publication into law. Thank you very much. Your Excellency, you may also graciously present ceremonial copies of the Act to the Speaker of the National Assembly, the leader of the majority parties, both the National Assembly and Senate, and the leaders of minority parties in both the National Assembly and the Senate, other members of Parliament present, and all esteemed state officials in attendance.
Chair, Finance, Department of the Passage, Madam Chief Whip, asante sana, Parliament, Madam Chief Whip, and then the leader from the minority side, Speaker, asante sana, very good.
In conclusion, Your Excellency will unveil and display an open ceremonial copy of the Act, while other state officials shall bear closed copies. Thank you, Your Excellency, and this marks the end of our state ceremony.
Thank you very much. Thank you.